Some of the biggest catches don't happen from fancy boats. They happen from a simple kayak silently gliding into a cove no motor could ever reach. That's exactly why more anglers are trading horsepower for paddle power. In this video, we're going to go over some of the best fishing kayaks you can find on Amazon, and all these mentioned kayaks links are in the description below. Number 20, Kayak XTR 130. It delivers maximum stability, easy electronics integration, and a spacious walkable upper deck inspired by bass boat features. With an elevated multifunction deck, a large standing platform, and an open design, it offers power and flexibility for serious fishing. Storage options include a tackle and battery well, a bow hatch with over 10,000 cubic inches of storage. Comfort features include a base-style swivel seat on an adjustable track, underseat storage, and optional tandem seating. With 180 inches of gear track, power link ports, through-hull wiring, convertible foot braces, horizontal rod storage, and motor compatibility for tiller, bow, and stern setups. Number 19, Wilderness Systems Pungo 120. This is a time-tested kayak known for its strong stability, smooth glide speed, and easy maneuverability. It feels comfortable thanks to its large cockpit and padded seat, and it's easy to get in and out of. The design balances length for better tracking with width for extra stability, making it functional and reliable on the water. However, it can be hard to drain, feels a bit heavy to carry, and has some plastic hatch parts that don't feel very durable. Overall, it offers great stability with useful features, which makes it a solid choice despite a few minor drawbacks. Number 18, Pelican Sentinel 100X. If you want a kayak that gives you a smooth and easy ride on calm water, this kayak is a great choice for your next adventure. It's built for lakes and gentle currents, offering solid stability and smooth tracking so you can glide across the water easily. The flat bottom design helps with balance and makes it feel comfortable. At under 10 feet long and only 44 pounds, it's super easy to carry, store, and handle on your own. With built-in handles, paddle holders, rod tie downs, and handy accessory spots, it keeps everything organized and ready for fishing. Number 17, Perception Pescador Pro 12. Behold the mid-priced fishing kayak from Perception, the Pro Pescador. A perfect mix of size, comfort, and useful features. At 12 feet long, it delivers solid performance without feeling heavy or bulky, giving you a great balance of strength and easy handling. It comes with upright rod storage, plus roomy front and rear compartments that can hold your tackle, cooler, and other gear with no problem. The adjustable footrest makes setup quick and simple, while the seat feels supportive and comfortable for long hours on the water. Number 16, BOTE Rackham Aero. It combines the easy feel of a paddleboard with the power of a pedal drive, and the Apex pedal drive system, sold separately, adds even more performance to your setup. This isn't just a regular board, it's designed to be stable, sturdy, and fully functional for serious fishing. You can glide across the water with a paddle or switch to pedaling for hands-free control and better efficiency. With simple setup and plenty of customization options, it easily transforms from a casual board into a powerful fishing machine. Number 15, Wilderness Systems Tarpon 105. This is a 10.5-foot kayak that feels really easy to control on the water. It gives you good storage space and useful features without making things complicated. The open design and strong stability make it easy to get on and off, which is nice if you're fishing. It's also self-draining, so water doesn't sit inside the cockpit and make you uncomfortable during long days on the water. You get adjustable foot pegs, a big dry storage hatch, and accessory rails to mount extra gear. It comes in longer sizes too if you want more space. Number 14, Perception Outlaw 11.5. It features a wide open deck, so you have plenty of space for gear, stretching your legs, or handling fish. The front and rear have molded in heavy-duty handles that can also work as tie-down points, and the side handles double as gear tracks, which is smart because they help when carrying the kayak and mounting accessories. This kayak is 11.5 feet long, 35 inches wide, weighs 77 pounds, and has a weight capacity of 425 pounds. Plus, it comes in different color options, including one called Dapper, which adds a nice touch. Number 13, Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. It has a flat bottom and multiple footrest positions, so different riders can use it comfortably and it stays stable on the water. The seat is padded and adjustable, and you get 3 rod holders. For performance, it has a sharp bow for better speed and tracking, plus a skeg and deep hull channels to help it move straight through the water. People like this kayak because it's good value for the price, feels stable, is comfortable to sit in, and at around 50 pounds, it's manageable to transport. Number 12, Wilderness Systems Recon. This kayak is 12 foot 2 inches long, 38 inches wide, with a hull weight of 95 pounds and a weight capacity of 450 pounds. One of the biggest features is that it can be upgraded from a paddle kayak to a pedal kayak or even a motor-powered setup later on. The seat sits high and is adjustable front to back and up and down, plus it rotates 360 degrees for better comfort and movement. You also get built-in handles for lifting, a cup holder, and a rear transducer mount to protect your electronics, which is a really smart design feature. Number 11, Vibe Yellowfin. It's a paddle kayak, and one of the biggest advantages is how lightweight it is, making it easy for one person to carry, load into a truck bed, or strap onto a rooftop. Because it's a bit narrower, it stays light and easy to handle, but that also means it has a slightly lower weight capacity compared to wider models. It even comes with a rudder kit included, which gives you better control in wind or when drifting because you can adjust direction without constantly using your paddle. It weighs 66 pounds and has a weight capacity of 400 pounds, which is quite impressive. Number 10, Old Town Sportsman. It's the paddle version of the Old Town Sportsman lineup, so it doesn't come with a pedal drive or motor, but you can add a motor later. You can mount a motor on the bow for easier power setup. It's very stable thanks to the W hull design. Storage is one of its strongest points. The large front covered hatch runs from front to back and can hold long rods, batteries, electronics, safety gear, or extra clothing. The rear tank well fits a milk crate or larger storage boxes, and you get storage under the seat for 4 to 6 tackle trays. It also includes accessory tracks, flush mounted rod holders, a cup holder, and foam deck pads. It comes in 4 color options. Number 9, Wilderness Systems ATAK. If high-end fishing kayaks are what you want, it is a strong option. It supports up to 400 pounds, but still has a compact design that makes it easier to move. The kayak comes with an Aero Max seat with quick release buckles and adjustable foot braces for comfort and support. You can also add a trailer cover and a kayak crate to make transport easier and keep it protected. It includes slide tracks rails for accessories and large rear storage for gear. The downside is that it's one of the heavier fishing kayaks on the market, but it makes up for it with strong stability and high weight capacity. Number 8, Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 14. The Pro Angler 14 now supports stern or bow mounted motors also. It can hold up to 2 power poles. It gives you options for pedal power with the Mirage Drive 360, motor power, or paddle power. It's wide and very stable, with noise reducing traction pads for better grip when standing. The kick-up fins automatically retract when they hit something, which helps in shallow water. The Vantage seat is adjustable, breathable, and includes BOA lumbar support for comfort during long days on the water. Other features include dual steering, a retractable transducer shield, horizontal rod storage, mounting boards, standing pads, and a wide beam for stability. Number 7, Sun Dolphin Journey. This is a great option for beginner anglers who want good features at an affordable price. It weighs under 45 pounds, so it's easy to carry and fits on a car rooftop easily. It's a set-on-top kayak made from UV-stabilized polyethylene, supports up to 395 pounds, and weighs 44 pounds. The foot pegs include thigh pads for extra comfort, which is a nice added touch. The only downside is that it's not the most stable kayak compared to higher-end models, but overall it delivers solid value for beginners. Number 6, Intex Pro K2. Here's a 2-person inflatable kayak made for easy paddling on calm lakes and slow rivers. It is made from strong 3-layer material that is durable but still light and easy to carry. It can hold up to 400 pounds and comes with 2 paddles, a pump, adjustable seats, footrests, and removable fishing rod holders. It also has straps and storage points to keep your gear secure and removable fins to help it move straight in the water. You can quickly inflate it, deflate it, and pack it for travel. Number 5, Vibe Sea Ghost. This kayak has a shorter hull, which makes it easier to transport and more agile in tight water, while still being stable enough to stand. It comes with a rudder and adjustable foot braces for better control in wind or current, plus plenty of storage. The Hero seat provides good back support for long days on the water. It packs speed, stability, and portability into an 11-foot frame with a strong hull design that tracks well and handles different conditions. It supports up to 425 pounds in weight capacity, so you can carry your gear plus extra equipment. When fully loaded with accessories and setup, it weighs about 84 pounds, which still keeps it portable while ready for the water. Number 4. Nixy Tahoe Inflatable Kayak. The Tahoe is a high-quality inflatable boat that sits between a recreational kayak and a performance model. It performs well with strong weight capacity and good stability. Its large tubes make it stable and stiff on the water, but they also make it a bit wide, so shorter paddlers under 5 feet 4 inches might feel some reach limitations. It also includes a small 3-stage hand pump for inflation. The boat has a total weight capacity of 600 pounds, which is enough for 2 adults and gear. It also offers plenty of mounting points for accessories and good cargo storage space for different uses. Number 3. Pelican Catch Classic Angler. Now we have a 10-foot sit-on-top fishing kayak that's lightweight and easy to carry, which is great for anglers. It comes with tough polyethylene that will last for years and has a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. The tunnel hole design gives it solid stability, so it's easy to get in and out of and feels steady on calm water. It features a dual-position adjustable seat for comfort, a front quick-lock hatch, and rear tank well for storage. 2 rod holders, paddle tie-downs, adjustable footrests, and accessory tracks to keep things organized and within reach. Number 2. Pelican Catch Kicker. The kayak is about 34 inches wide, which gives it good stability for standing and fishing, and it's made from tough UV-resistant polyethylene for long-term durability. It features the adjustable ErgoBoost seat that's comfortable for long hours and can even be removed to use as a chair on shore. You also get flush-mounted rod holders, accessory tracks for adding gear, open deck space, and a rear tank well with bungee cords for storage. A hand-controlled rudder helps with steering and tracking in wind or light current. Number 1. Brooklyn Tandem. It is made from strong and durable material and is wide and stable, making it easy to balance on calm lakes and rivers. It comes with padded seats for comfort, rod holders for fishing, and built-in storage areas for your gear and coolers. This is a 12.3-foot sit-on-top tandem kayak built for 2 people and can carry up to 440 pounds of people and gear. It is also trolling motor ready, so you can add a motor later for more speed and power if needed. So that's all for now. If you found this helpful, check out the links in the description for more details on each kayak. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.